Getting ready to look at our next build. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead. First of all, I want to start off and say thank you to all the new subscribers. We're over the 200 mark. Also, I want to thank Hope This Works Homestead for giving us a good shout out and also sending you guys over our way. My slice of heaven. I want to thank Joey for sending his people over. Green Project. Thanks for sending people over. Go check out their channels. And if you have a channel and you have subscribed to our channel and I haven't subscribed back, please let me know in the comments. So that way I can make sure I get over there and get subscribed to your channel. Before I forget, down in the description I put an address down there. If you have any old models, parts, anything like that, any gifts, anything like that, send them to that address and I'll get them and I will show them on the video. We appreciate everything you do for us. Alright, got a new bottle build that we're going to start on. We're going to check out what's in the box, what it looks like, what may need to be done. So here we go. Made by MPC. It's called Country Dodge Challenger. It's a 1969 Dodge Charger RT. 125th model. Kind of take your tour around the box. You can see what it looks like. Alright, let's cut her open. Okay, we got chrome parts, wheels, rims. Like there's two different sets of rims, valve covers, all your engine parts, license plate, bumpers, grill. That's what's in that one. Glass parts, windshield and rear window, and tail lights. Tires. Regular tires. Nothing too special. Street tires. Got the body and the frame. Let me cut this bag open. One thing I did notice, it's modeled in black. There's the body. Has pretty good body lines. Gonna have to do some sanding on the molding lines. They're a little bit rough. Other than that, the body looks good. You got your frame. It's detailed pretty good. You do have, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me get it around here where you can see. There's two settings. There's two settings right here. To either lower it or higher it. Same way on the front. Got your interior. It's pretty well detailed. Does have door panels. Your seats, your floors. I'll probably stay with the black interior, just do something a little different. Next bag. This one, we got your wheel drums, cooler intake, some more dash stuff, distributor, air cooler on that one. This one you got your exhaust, suspension, rear end, your 2 front seats, and your firewall. This one you got a push bar, radiator, roll bars. On this one you got your engine, oil pan, water pump, timing cover, your belts, your headers, more parts of the roll cage, your fan, another intake, 2 different air cleaners. You got this one you got your dash, your hood, it has hood pins on it, your front grill parts, steering wheel, and I'm not sure what the other little part is. Cut this open for the decals. Not much for decals. You got flags, numbers. It says General Grant, Patton, General Washington, born free, and 2 license plates and some gauges. And you got your instructions. Show you these. Pretty simple instructions. I would probably call this maybe a level 2, probably a level 2 model. So you can build this in a couple ways by the instructions. You know me, I don't go by the instructions. I do them the way I feel. One thing, a lot of your models will come with it's kind of like a paper with a plastic covering. Always put it back over your decals and put the decals back in the bag to protect them. I always put them back in the bag, and I put them in a drawer. That way there's no chance of getting moisture on them with paint or anything like that. I wish they would have gave you another option with tires. They could have sent some wider tires for like a street drag car or something like that instead of just regular tires all the way around. Alright, well, that's today's video. We'll start building on this. I'm going to do a little bit of research. I'm going to look around for some special paint that I think would look good on this model. First of all, we'll get everything sanded. I do got a new tool, this little tool right here, and it's a seam scraper. So that way I can go around the doors and make them a little deeper so when I paint them it shows the outline a little better. Don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow. You're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.